How to turn on voice directions on Apple Maps. Well, first things first, you'll have to enable the voice directions or voice command. To do so, open up settings on your iPhone. Once you open up settings, scroll down and head into apps option. Once under apps, you want to look in for the maps option. So you can see the maps, tap on it. Once you select maps, scroll down and you can see spoken directions option, tap on it and make sure it is set to normal volume. Now you can set it to preferred, any preferred that you wish, softer volume, louder volume, but it is best to set it on normal volume. Also enable direction pause spoken audio, also enable directions wake device and directions on audio as well. Once you have done this, all you gotta do is head back to maps, then open up maps, your Apple map, and then look out for the location. So suppose you want to travel to this location here, tap and hold on it and then select directions option here. And once you select directions option, all you got to do is it'll show you the location. So it'll give you the voice directions. Your voice directions will be enabled automatically when you choose directions and start a direction. Now Apple Maps itself is unavailable in my region, so as you can see I'm having issue here, but it's simple and easy. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.